Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, make sure y'all give me a big thumbs up and make sure y'all share my video on respectable platforms. Anyway, well today I felt kind of creative. I had this old Q-tip box for the longest because I save a lot of things because you never know what you might need anything for. So I saved this old Q-tip box and I said, what can I do with it? And then I said, this will make a great uh, bed or a sofa. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna make a Barbie travel bed. And why I named it a Barbie travel bed, because it's going to be light. You could just put it right in a bag and you can move it into a doll, any type of dollhouse you want to, or just a photo setup, like a scenery. You could just move the bed. It's light and it's easy. And I'm going to show you how to create one. So first I got a Q-tip box, and I tried to find like some legs for it. I couldn't find anything, so I found an old soap box that I had, and I cut that in half, and I hot glued the two halves at the bottom of what's going to be the bed of the Q-tip box. And I put those together, and I had to cut a little bit more off the bottom of the soap boxes because they were a little. It made the bed a little look like a couch more than a bed. I wanted like a little twin bed. That's how I wanted it to look. So the top, I wanted to make it more sturdier. So I cut out a piece of cardboard and put it on top of the Q-tip box. And then I said I need just some type of cushioning. So I found an old wig head foam, and I found that, and I cut out some of the foam and put it on top of the Q-tip box. I hot glued everything. Hot glue gun is what it works wonders, y'all. So I found some old fabric. I had a lot of fabric. So I found this old floral print material. And I said, I want to glue that. And then I cut out a piece of cardboard for the headboard. And for the bottom, you could use any type of color paint for the legs. I used purple. And then for where I opened the Q-tip box, that looked like it's going to be a drawer. So I put like a little ball, a little circle, just like act like a knob. You could use any knob, any colors, anything y'all want to, just to show y'all the base and how to do the foundation of creating this bed. So after that, there you have it. Now with the headboard, y'all, I didn't know what to do. I had tried to put some rhinestones on it, and I didn't like how the rhinestones look, so I had placed some purple paint over top of the rhinestones to try to make it look better and blend and match the bed. And I liked how it came out because it matched the bed perfectly. And I just put a little pillow, and I added a doll to it. She's supposed to be Whitney Houston, y'all. Inspired Whitney Houston doll. She's reading her magazine, and she's on the bed, and she's just relaxing. So any of y'all dolls can relax on the bed. If you could fit 2 or 3 dolls on it, but they can't lay on the bed, they just had to sit on it. And I think it came out nice. Just look at the storage at the bottom. Look, I stored some of her stuff, shoes, glasses, magazines. You can put clothes, anything you want inside of it. So let me know in the comments down below, did I do a good job? Do y'all want to see me do more luxury items? Because when I do my items, I do it like, I think about the 80s and 90s, how Barbie feels, pinks and purples and things like that. But I can make it look more exclusive and more luxurious if you want me to. So leave in the comments down below what you want to see me create in my next video. What type of doll ideas would you like to see me do? Please talk to me in the comments. I don't know what y'all want to see. Let me know in the comments. Share my videos. Let me know what you like and what you don't like, and what I can improve on, or which things y'all might, an idea that you might not have done but you want to see me do. So leave it in the comments down below, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.